Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have our weekly update for Google Chrome for security, which also means that in the next hours and days, there will be a security update for Chromium browsers. So if you go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner and the three vertical dots, go down to Help and about about Google. You will have version 150.0, that's 7871.181 or 182, depending on the version of the operating system you're using. And this fixes a small number of security updates, 12 in total. So if you look at stable channel update for desktop, today, July the 21st, 12 security fixes. But several of them, well, all of them are high severity, so they are quite important to fix. High severity means that they're not that difficult to exploit. So a lot of things happening there. So out of bounds in the angle, what do you have to in web audio? It's a problem there. Extensions in Chromecast. So there's quite a few things. Of course, a stack buffer overflow in V8, which is always there almost every week. Something with the GPU rendering, the UI, the graphical user interface. So lots of little things here, and this means that it has to be fixed. So update your Google Chrome browser. And if you're a Chromium browser user like Brave, Edge, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, check for updates, as this week we'll have more updates. We'll, of course, remind you of all of this with Microsoft Edge when they do update for the security flaws within Chromium. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.